Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the assignment number 7 answers. For the given circuit, the first question is, what is the value of the angular frequency of oscillation omega naught? Here, inductor 1 and inductor 2 are given and the capacitor is given. Here, the angular frequency omega naught equal to 1 divided by square root of C into L1 plus L2. Okay, so based on that, 1 divided by square root of what is C? C is nothing but 0.01 microfarad, and L1 and L2 2 microhenry plus 5 microhenry, and that is nothing but 1 divided by square root of 0.01 micro into 7 micro. If we solve this one, we will get 3.78 into 10 power 6 radian per second. So the given option is A. Second question, for the same circuit, what is the gain AV must be greater than or equal to X for a sustained oscillation. The value of X, the question. So here the gain AV must be greater than or equal to, here the impedance, this is X1, X2 and this is X3. In that case, the impedance, the gain AV must be greater than or equal to X2 by X1. Okay, so what is X1 here? X1 is nothing but j omega L, L1, X2 is j omega L2, X3 is 1 by j omega C or C3. Here we need X1 and X2 alone, and therefore it is equal to j omega L2 by j omega L1, and j omega is getting cancelled, L2 by L1, so L2 is 5 microhenry by L1 is 2 microhenry, so the answer is 2.5. so the AV must be greater than or equal to 2.5. the X value is 2.5. the option is D. And the third question, for the circuit given, what is the value of angular frequency omega naught? Here C1, C2 and L is given. Okay, so here omega naught equal to 1 divided by square root of L C equivalent. What is C equivalent here? That is nothing but C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, and therefore square root of what is L? L is 2, and C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 into C2 is nothing but 10 micro into 5 micro whole divided by 10 plus 10 micro plus 5 micro, and therefore square root of 1 divided by 2 into 50 micro square, micro into micro, divided by 15 micro. So micro is getting cancelled, and if we simplify this, we will get the answer as 387 radian per second. So the given answer is option C. Okay, for the same circuit, now what is the gain? The gain must be greater than or equal to X for a sustained oscillation. Okay, so for what is the value of X? So here, as I said, AV must be greater than or equal to X2 by X1. And what is X2 X1? X2 is nothing but 1 by j omega C2. X1 is 1 by j omega C1. And if I substitute that, 1 by j omega C2 by 1 by j omega C1. And 1 by j omega is getting cancelled. 1 by C2 by 1 by C1 is C1 by C2. Okay, here I have 1 by C2 by 1 by C1, and therefore that is C1 by C2. C1, what is C1? What is C2 here? C1 is 10 microfarad, C2 is 5 microfarad. So 10 microfarad by 5 microfarad, 10 by 5 is 2. So the answer is 2. Thank you.